We are at Logandale Trails. We are on our way to the panel punishing, diff destroyer, Jeep eating, godless gatekeeper of Lower Rock Bottom. Okay, it's really not that bad, but this is Old Man Jeepn. My name is Keith, and today we are freestyling down here in Logandale, and we decided we were going to begin our adventure going through the gatekeeper at Lower Rock Bottom. It is a rock crawl that has just about everything you could want in a rock crawl. So grab a hold of your OSH hoop handle and let's get started. You're right on, slow. Straighten it out. Yes. I can't hear him. Oh, very good. Well, the sky's pretty. Driver. There you go, coming up. Good, driver. Good, driver. Good. Let's just back to it. Passenger. Passenger. Your back is gonna go up.
Slipped off the top of that one, but
you want to go passenger? Passenger. Back up. He's going to drop down in the hole. I got to get him out of the hole.
this and that hills over here, they have the same place.
Passenger. Yes. Passenger. You're going to scrape. Keep going, passenger. Good. Very good, very good. Straighten it out, straighten it out. You're good, come on in. There it is. Come down easy. Passenger. Go passenger. I didn't want to get your tires wet. Straighten it out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop, stop, stop. Back up. Hard passenger. Passenger. More passengers. He's back there. He's got to go more. Okay, is he good back there? Passenger. Forward. Hard driver. There you go. You're on. Good. Passenger. straight. There you go. Come on up. Passenger. There you go. You got it. Driver. Driver, good. Keep going, driver. Okay, passenger. Right on the money. You're good. Yeah, you did a nice job. Nice job. Little passenger, just a little. Driver. There you go. Ease on up. Easy. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Driver. Passenger, you're going to drop. Real slow. Passenger. Passenger. That's it. You're good. Keep on coming. Good. Right on the line. Driver. There you go. Right on. You're good. Come on up. Just like that. Good. Keep it there. Driver. Driver. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Back up. Driver. We'll pick up a different way. There it is. There it is. Nicely done. Driver. Hard driver. There you go. Okay, you're gonna go up. Right on that. Straight. Right where you're at. Up. Good. Keep it going. You're good. Passenger. Okay, driver. Perfect. Like that. You're gonna drop. Little passenger. There you go. You're gonna go up on this side. Driver. Driver. You might be able to crawl up. Come real slow. Hard driver. There you go. Perfect. That's it. Real slow. Perfect. Keep coming. Passenger. Perfect. You're on it. Passenger. Perfect. Come on in. Nice and slow. Passenger. There you go. You're good. It's all right. Straighten it out. Okay, go ahead and get momentum and then straighten it out. There you go. Perfect. Driver. That's all right. There you go. Keep it coming. Good, driver. Good. Passenger. There you go, passenger. It's all right, you're good. Driver. Driver. Good, late. Hard driver. Back up. Passenger. Back up. Yeah, back up, passenger. That's not what I wanted. There you go, passenger. Okay, good. Hard driver, forward. Good, keep coming, you're gonna go up. Good, good, easy, easy, easy. Whoa, stop, stop, stop. Back up.
Hey, wait, look at your angle meter. Where are you at?
Go ahead, back up. Passenger. Passenger. Okay, now passenger. Good, right there. Forward. Straighten it out. Now you think we get him, huh? I think we'll get him now. He'll come up this side. I'm gonna flatten out his vehicle. Want to flatten out his vehicle. That's it, just crawl right up, you're there. You're good, keep coming. Nope, back up. That's all right, tires are wet. You think it will? Okay, all right. Is it okay? Driver? Hard driver? The other hard driver? I know.
All right, you will in a second.
You got it, keep coming, you're there. That's it, you're good. Nice and slow. You gotta back up again. Hard passenger. You gotta get his tire on that ledge. Yeah. Hard passenger, there you go, good. Good, good, good.
Now hard driver.
Hard driver.
And forward.
Right there. Hard driver, all the way.
Yeah.
Yes. Hard driver. Got to do the driver. Back up. I know you're in a rut to do it. We'll back you up a little bit more. That's good. That's good. Keep going a little bit more. That's it. Good.
Right there, hard driver.
He can't. He's up against that wall. Oh, there he goes. Okay, good. Now you're there.
Now forward, slow, and driver.
Too much. Straighten it out. Perfect. That should work. How low is his tire back there? All right, we gotta back him out farther then.
You're right. Go slow. You'll find out right there.
He's gonna lift out. Nah. Back it out. Hard passenger when you back up. Yeah, we gotta get him over, we gotta get him around the outside there.
Go straight back. And now, wait, hold on. Hard passenger, hard driver, hard driver. Come back about 2 minutes.
So you can get him around that? Okay.
Yeah, right there.
All right.
Now,
Oh, I see what we're doing. Okay.
now come forward.
Oh, that's good. That's real good. You just go keep straight.
Now little driver.
Bring him up on this side over here, Greg. Keep him out of this hole over here. Passenger. There you go. Keep on coming. A little more passenger.
You gotta get up on there.
Yeah, he's gonna right here. Keep coming.
You're
Okay, so I'm gonna get him out of this hole up here. Keep coming. You're good. Driver. That's it. Keep coming. You're good. There you go. There you go.
Good job.
Now you're good. You're good to go. Nicely done. That's all right.
Keep that line right there. That's perfect.
This is something. Someday. But not today. But someday.
Here last week we went around and we stood up there and looked at it and we're like, I don't know, but I can't keep somebody up. Doing it? I'm gonna try it. Down just a little bit. Slow. You're all right. Right there. Passenger's going to climb up on this rock. Little driver. Hold on. Okay. Wait, watch his driver. Out a little bit. There you go. Whoops, I'm going to have to edit that.